For 14 years, this was one of a tiny handful of three-star restaurants in America. In November, the guide made it 2. The price did not move. We review it so you don't have to. Alinea, is the Chicago restaurant where cocktails arrive on a scented pillow and a dessert is painted onto your table. Chef Grant Akitz built it into one of the most famous dining rooms on Earth. On November the 12th, 2025, Michelin took back its 3rd star. No reason was given beyond the guide's usual criteria. 3 details make this story sharper. Alinea's own website still says 3 stars, months later. The demotion followed a run of unusually questioning reviews from the Chicago Tribune and the New York Times. And the co-owner who built the whole ticketing system sold his stake the year before to investors. Now the money, because this is a purchase, not just a dinner. Tickets are sold like theater, prepaid, non-refundable, on talk. The kitchen table and the gallery run $495 a head. The salon upstairs is $375 to $395. Service included, gratuity built in. For 2 people, budget about $1,000 before you have drunk anything. The honest comparison. Chicago still has 1 3-star restaurant, Smythe, Smith. 2-star Oriole, or Eel, costs meaningfully less. If the star count was the point, the market just repriced Alinea against its own city.
8 out of 10 as theater, because the show is still singular, and people do not regret the memory. As a star count purchase, the maths got worse in November. Book it for the experience, not the guide. And if you want the same league for less, Oriole is the name the locals say. If that saved you some money, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review reaches you. Turn the bell on as well. Thanks for watching.